In this video, I'll show you how to link to pre-made group documents or other file types in Google Drive, as this example is here. So the first step is you need to go to your Google Drive, which I already have open here. If you can't find Drive, remember it's always in this menu. And what you would just do is create the document. I already created 3 here. These are the 3 samples that you saw on the website. So you would click Create and then go to Document to create a new one. I'm just going to open one of these ones I already made. So this is the document that's linked on the site, and so what you would need to do is just basically this is a basic assignment, obviously, and then you can copy and paste it for the other ones, slightly tweak it for whatever their group's doing. And then the way you would give it access to those students who are in the group is you go up and click on this share button, and it's public on the web. Usually default is private, so you can click change and make it public if you want, so that they can see each other's, and whoever wants to come on the website and see it can. Otherwise you could have it just be people within the school district could see it. You can choose your preferences and make sure it just says they can view it. Hit save. But the way you would invite the students that are in the group, this is an assumption that you had already made the group, so you would just go ahead and type in their names. I'll just pretend Danielle is in the group, and you just click on the name and you just keep going. So you type in all the students that are going to be in the group, and right here on this drop down you make sure it says that they can edit it because they're in that group, and then you could notify them by email if you want to, or you don't have to, and click send. And so what that would do is so that when they go on your website and they are on the site and they click on the link, they'll be able to edit it. If Ashley here, M, clicked on group 2's, she wouldn't be able to edit it, but she could view it. So it makes it so they can just edit their own groups and work on it together. And also in Drive, the same premise works for any type of file. So you could have them be working on group presentations together. That's like PowerPoint. They could be working on spreadsheets as a group, Google Forms, drawings. It doesn't have to be a document, but that was just the example I used for this sample on the website. All your documents ready for your different groups. What you would need to do to get them on your website is you hover over it and do a right click, and you'll get these options. And you want to go to share and then select share again. And it brings up this permission thing again, as you saw when you made it public and how you invited them. But what we want to do is click on this link up here, this link to share. And it's already highlighted all the time, so all you need to do is hit Control and C, or if you want to, you can right click on it and copy and then hit done. So then when you're back on the site, you can go into on the page you want it, you go into edit mode. And you could type out, for example, right here I type that, so I'll just do one down here. Let's say I wanted a link here. I would type group example. You type what you want the link to be, and then you highlight it. You go up to this little chain link guy here, and it defaults as saying a site's page. This means, do you want to link to a web page on your site? And we don't want to. We want to link to something totally separate. So we're going to go to a web address. And then we're just going to do Control V or right click and do paste. And open a new window is always nice to check this box, and then hit OK. And now if we hit save, that will be a link. And if students click it, they'll take them to the document. So that's how you would link it then onto your site.